Welcome to the world of wooden abstract sculpture, where nature meets imagination, and raw timber transforms into emotion carved in shape. Each piece begins not with a plan, but with a conversation, between the artist and the wood itself. Every grain, every knot, every curve guides the hand that carves it. It's not just about creating something beautiful, it's about revealing the beauty that's already there. Hidden inside the heart of the tree, abstract sculpture doesn't imitate life. It expresses it. It takes what we feel but cannot say, and turns it into form, smooth, flowing, alive. In this video, we'll explore the soulful art of wooden abstraction, how artists transform simple logs into modern organic sculptures that breathe with texture, balance, and spirit. You'll see how wood, once part of nature's landscape, becomes a timeless statement of human creativity. So, sit back, open your imagination, and enter a world where nature is not just seen, it's felt. This is wooden abstract sculpture, where every curve carries a story, and every piece lives beyond the wood itself. And in the hands of an artist, it becomes more than just a material, it becomes a living form of expression. For centuries, humans have carved wood not just to build, but to speak, to tell stories without words, to capture emotion through form, and to shape the invisible rhythm of nature into art. In this world of precision, speed, and technology, there exists a quiet resistance, a return to the organic, the imperfect, the natural. That resistance is modern wooden abstract sculpture. Every curve, every edge, every hollow space is intentional, yet spontaneous. It's where imagination meets grain, where the natural flow of wood dictates design, and where the artist listens rather than controls. Unlike traditional sculpture, which imitates what we can see, abstract wooden art gives shape to what we feel. Abstract wooden art gives shape to what we feel, its emotion solidified, a dialogue between human hands and the silent wisdom of a tree. When the artist begins, they do not fight the wood, they collaborate with it. Each piece of wood already carries a story. The lines, the cracks, the knots, the shades, all reveal the years it has lived. The sculptor studies those stories, tracing them with care, and begins to carve, not to conquer, but to reveal. The result is something deeply modern, yet timeless, a sculpture that feels alive, because it still carries the breath of nature within it. Modern organic art is not about perfection, it's about truth, it's about allowing material and maker to merge until form and feeling become one. Today, wooden abstract sculptures stand proudly in modern homes, galleries, and gardens, symbols of creativity, sustainability, and connection. They embody the balance between raw nature and human imagination, between chaos and calm, between control and freedom. Every piece you see, whether it's a smooth, flowing figure or a rough, geometric design, carries a dual energy. It is both ancient and contemporary, organic yet refined, grounded yet transcendent. And that's what makes wooden abstract art so powerful. It invites us to look deeper, beyond surface and shape, and to ask, what do I feel when I see this? What story does this piece whisper through its curves? Because in the end, abstract sculpture is not meant to explain, it's meant to evoke. It asks us to pause, to feel, to connect with something wordless inside ourselves. In this video, we'll explore how modern artists around the world are reinventing wooden art, transforming reclaimed logs, fallen branches, and raw timber into expressions of movement, harmony, and balance. We'll see how ancient woodworking techniques blend with modern design principles to create forms that resonate with our natural instincts, fluid, spontaneous, and alive. From minimalist organic designs to complex flowing shapes that mimic the patterns of wind, waves, and time, these sculptures are more than just decor, they are breathing philosophies, a reminder that art is not only made by the mind, but also by the heart. So as this video comes to an end, take one last look at these forms, raw yet refined, silent yet alive, and remember, creativity is not about control. It's about listening to the materials, to nature, and to your own inspiration. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the world of natural and handcrafted art.